Hey, it's painting day here at the Final Village Garage. Got the car body done last go around. The door is open because it hits nearly 60 degrees today here, so we're going to take full advantage of that and finish getting up the rest of the pieces parts. We have the hood, the valance, the cowl panel. Got a couple fenders laying on the car body, that way I can actually get them painted. And I've got the trunk deck laying on the car. Guest painter, my dad. He's going to do some painting. He's done a little bit in his lifetime, so he's not necessarily a newbie, but it's been a while. I'm going to have him have some fun painting, then I'll get the camera in here, show you the ups and downs, the do's and the don'ts of putting some more paint on the old Lamborghini. So the next bits are, we've got everything all sanded down. We got that done, sandblasted. Doing our best not to touch them. Got everything kind of set to paint, but we need to wipe it down with wax and degreaser, rubbing alcohol. We're going to use the 2-rag technique like I normally do. Use one to wet everything down, lifts everything up. Use the other one to dry it all off. And at that point, don't touch it. Then go ahead and put your epoxy on. But we're going to get everything wiped down. I've got 2 fenders that need done, these 2 pieces, and the hood. And I'm hoping with the hood, we're going to go ahead and paint the top side. Of course, you can't see all the snow outside. It's just bleaching everything out. But the hood is in pretty good shape. We're hoping to get the epoxy on that. This stuff will dry to the touch in about 20 minutes. 30 minutes is safe to sand on. So I'm hoping to paint the hood first. I'm going to flip it over, put the epoxy on, then put my black paint that I've been using for the underbody on the hood today as everything goes well. And then, of course, in the trunk deck just the same. But we're going to get started here now and get everything all wiped down.
So if there's any crud in there, it should loosen it up and get it motivated.
Yeah.
And then and I'll catch it with the second rag, the second wiping, to get it actually off of there. Is my hope. Is my hope. Yep.
Well, the next piece of the puzzle is everything all wiped down, ready to go ahead and paint. Need some daggum paint mixed up. I'm going to work on mixing up my Transtar, the black epoxy like I put on the rest car. It's mixed 50-50, or so 1-to-1 I meant. And I'm not going to use any reduce or anything like that, because this is our base foundation for all of our work. So I'll go ahead and get some of that mixed up here now, and then we'll get to doing some painting. Chunks. I mixed up 300. Hopefully that's enough. If not, I'll make more. Now this doesn't have no incubation period, so whenever we're ready, we're ready to start painting.
There you are. Well, I hear air. It's coming back.
Dry lines it does.
I'm not overlapping enough.
Yeah.
And I'm moving a little too fast.
It's all right. We'll come back with another coat. Let's go ahead and do the whole thing that way and buzz it again.
So it makes it dry.
Yeah. Like tiger striping is what I see. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
This end here too.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm too close to the metal, but it's looking okay.
Yeah, it's going on.
Yeah. But I really feel I'm too close.
Yeah. Now the paint's a little thick. I probably should have warmed it up some.
For everything that I ever remember about painting,
Yeah.
I got the gun a little bit too close to the material. But
Yeah. That looks pretty good speed wise. It's got good coverage. I don't see the tiger striping. So.
no, I'm doing a little bit better without this, with the hose over my shoulder.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. This moves on.
There you go. There you go. Yeah. Hose is getting close. There you go. Yeah. Everything's all kind of sprayed now, flashed off, looking pretty good. I will give him let's go overall score of a B. Not bad. It's been a while since he's done some painting. But now the car is all one color and sealed up from our weather that we're going to be getting because we are now warming up. So the only thing left to do, I'm going to flip that hood over so that we can paint the underside of it and do the same thing. And I think we're going to call it a good here for today, but I like the looks of all this.
Yep. Turn it over here. No, it is a little tacky. I can feel it. Yeah, I feel it too.
Okay, probably the same thing. I'm up here. Now the plan is let that flash off and dry, probably about 20 minutes. That epoxy to set up long enough, 20 or 25. But I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the coat of the Rust-Oleum gloss black that I've been using for the underbody. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get that done today. So let this sit and we'll come back and show you how that's done. All right, this is flashed off now and dry to the touch. Been about 20 minutes or so. I'm going to go ahead, what I did is it's a Rust-Oleum gloss black mixed with a little bit of acetone to cut it so it actually sprays and some hardener. That's what we're going to spray on this hood now to give it a nice looking finish. That way when it's open, it looks real pretty. So I painted the whole underbody of this car. It came out real nice. If you haven't seen those videos, go back and check those out. But nonetheless, let's make this shiny. Yeah, not too much snow. Able to get the hood all blinged up and shiny. That's going to take some time to dry, so we're going to give that a little bit of time. But look at the car behind us now. I haven't pulled all the masking off, but she's all one color and black. I had a little leftover shiny stuff, so we had to hit the inside of the lower valence and our cowl panel. So why not use that paint while we got it mixed up and ready to go? So at this point now, the Lamborghini no longer has any bare metal, sheet metal pieces for the car. I've got some other small odds and ends, but the main body is now all in epoxy. That's going to be our foundation for all of our body work and everything else, and the other shenanigans are going to go on here, getting this car to the finish line. So our master painter dad, he's going to wrap it up here for today, but I think next go around I'm going to work on putting this car all back together again so we can start doing the body work. So that's what we're going to get into next go around, doing some body work. So you don't want to miss that. So if you haven't subscribed, please do that. And of course, say hi to my dad, just say him in the comments. And of course, we'll catch you all next time.